today's vlog. It's VLOGOWEEN. So this morning I'm wearing a cozy Disney spirit jersey and I threw my hair up in a messy bun because we're gonna make some Mickey cinnamon rolls for Halloween. I'm just gonna use a simple tube mix. Joe was picking on me. He's like, you're just gonna make a video making cinnamon rolls from a tube? And I'm like, yeah, I am. These are just from Harris Teeter, our local grocery store, so we're gonna try to make them a Mickey shape and see how it turns out. So let's give it a go. Bean, are you helping me? You always help in the kitchen, don't you? You're so cute. So we're gonna set our temperature. It says 375 for non-stick, so we're gonna do that. Get our oven preheated. And now comes the super fun part, trying to get these containers open, which I can never seem to do. Okay. Peel in direction of arrow to remove label. Press spoon at seam and twist can to open. This is like impossible though. Like, yeah, these actually came off easier. Now that I'm doing this on video, it's gonna like work for once maybe. Ooh, there we go. I got it open. Yes. Ooh. That's the icing, I think. Oh, it's in like a pouch. Oh yeah, the whole label off. Oh, they just like flew out of there. Oh my gosh, that was messy. So then I'm gonna take these other ones and kind of like unroll them, I guess. So we've got 1, 4, so 1, 2 maybe. Slice it off there. I'm just trying this out. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Let's roll this bad boy back up. There we go. Okay. So that should work. I'm going to use a little water, I think, and just kind of like make them stick, kind of like you do with like a pastry dough. I'm going to see if this will work. In theory, it should. Right? Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay. Alright, let's see if I can push these up a little bit. I just don't want them to get too carried away when they expand and squish onto each other. Okay, that looks really cute. I really hope these turn out cute because they look really cute already without even being baked, I think. Put these in the oven. I'm putting them on the top rack. Oh, for faster baking method. Okay, so let's push the timer down to 10 minutes then. Okay, so the icing needs to drizzle, but I kind of want to change this color and make it like an orange or like a purple for Halloween. Oh. White icing. Okay, so it says 4 red and 12 yellow. Red and 12 yellow. I feel like that's overkill. Let's try half of that because this is not a lot. So we'll do 2 red and 6 yellow. Ew, it's on my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if we can get an orangey color. I don't want it to taste like food coloring either. Like, I hate that when it's like over dyed. So this is ready to go. Okay. We've got our sprinkles. We got this like little Halloween mix of sprinkles so we can like put some cute things on there. Let's just open it up. And these are just Wilton. Usually like Michael's carries these and like craft stores like VLOGOWEEN. I just bought them on Amazon. Oh, this is so cute. With our orange, maybe the ghosts, or perhaps the bats. Those are cute too. I don't know, I'm partial to purple, so I really like these little bats in here. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them, they're little Mickeys. Cooking away. Can't wait for Cindy's. Joe's gonna be so excited. He hasn't been feeling well, so it's been a little under the weather this morning and yesterday, so we'll cheer him up, I hope. Fingers crossed. Okay, so we're at the 10-minute mark, so these should be done. I just want to check them before we... Oh my god, they're so cute. Do you think they're done? Oh yeah. Look how cute they are. I'm just gonna let them sit on the tray a little bit longer. Turn our oven off. Look at these! They're like the perfect little Mickeys. Oh my god. These are so cute. Grab a little bit, I guess, on the spoon and just kind of drizzle it. Fingers like died from the food coloring I got on it. It's so cute. Maybe we'll do a little bit of each. Look how cute. They're so cute. So cute. So cute. All right, moment of truth. Taking a little bite. Pretty tasty. Nice and easy. Perfect little Halloween breakfast treat. All right, that's it for this vlog. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.